We put these cameras out even just for a couple of days in gardens around the island. We saw crows, great tits, dunnocks, robins, hedgehogs, rabbits, blue tits, and lots more besides. A lot of this wildlife is now right in the middle of the breeding season. That means for much of the work that we might have been doing before lockdown in our gardens, it will now be too late. In particular, this applies to hedge trimming and tree cutting. This is to protect the breeding birds that might be using your garden, as well as anything else that's using the shrubbery underneath. We'd love to hear about any of the wildlife you see if you have let your garden grow wild. If you'd like to borrow a camera trap from the Alderney Wildlife Trust, just get in touch. We have a few to loan out, and we'll hope it will help you to discover some of the wildlife that's home in your garden.